Being a content creator myself, I think these are the 3 must-haves if you're planning on streaming games. Una is a decent gaming device. Pwedeng PC, laptop, or even a mobile device. Second is a good camera para ma-record mo ng maayos yung paglalaro mo. And lastly, a reliable gaming microphone. In this video, let's talk about the Mano PD100X, a budget-focused gaming microphone to start your game streaming journey without breaking the bank. Before we begin, I'd like to thank Mano for sending me this review unit. And if you're new here and you love watching unboxing videos, tutorials, and product reviews like this one, make sure to subscribe kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and helpful videos regularly. So, eto yung pinadala nila na package. And we have a bunch of stuffs here. We have the PD100X, an XLR cable connector, and this microphone pop filter. And these two will be included as a freebie if you purchase this from their official stores on Shopee and Lazada. Pag inopen natin yung box, makikita nyo tong user manual. Pwede nyo siyang basahin kasi maraming useful info dyan. We also have a mic table stand with a 3/8" threaded hole, a thread adapter in case you are going to use this with a boom arm, a USB ANC to USB-C 2-in-1 cable, and lastly, our Mano PD100X dynamic microphone. Well, unang hawak and tingin mo pa lang sa Mano PD100X, makikita mo agad na maganda yung quality ng materials na ginamit, pati na rin yung craftsmanship. Para sa akin, sakto lang yung bigat niya. Pag masyado kasing magaan, may tendency na madali siyang malaglag in case na aksidente mo siyang matamaan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya i-setup para makita nyo kung gaano kabilis and gaano kadali lang siya gawin. Yung mic stand natin is made of plastic and it's about 3.75 inch in diameter. This feels solid. And yung bottom niya is textured. Kaya hindi siya madaling mag-i-slide dito sa table. Yung butas naman ng mic natin is compatible with both a 3/8" and a 5/8" thread. To piece them together, i-align nyo lang yung thread, then rotate it in a clockwise manner. This mic can be rotated to almost 360 degrees. And pwede mong gawing fixed yung angle by twisting this knob. To connect this microphone to a PC or laptop, i-plug in lang natin yung 2-in-1 cable dito sa USB-C port. Then we can use the USB-A dito sa kabilang dulo. If you are using a MacBook, pwede mong tanggalin yung part na to para maging Type-C na rin yung dulo niya. Ang maganda rito sa PD100X is plug and play lang siya. Kaya once na na-connect mo na yan sa device mo, pwede mo na agad gamitin. Meron din tayong 3.5mm port dito for your headphones in case you want to monitor the audio from the microphone. Meron din siyang XLR input to plug in our cable to connect to an audio interface. Lastly, we have an RGB switch para mapili mo yung color na gusto mong maging theme ng mic. Sa harap naman, meron tayong volume knob to turn up or to turn down the volume of the mic. Pwede mo rin siyang i-short press. Kung yung volume naman ng headphones yung gusto mong i-adjust. You can also lightly tap on this touch-sensitive mute switch if you want to put it on mute. Meron din tayong removable windscreen na pwede mong tanggalin if ever na gusto mo siyang linisin. Maganda yung fit ng foam. Kaya pag hinatak mo, mararamdaman mo na medyo lumalaban siya. Anyway, kung napansin nyo, yung Mano logo is written upside down. Pero actually, this mic is meant to be used like this, then attached to a boom arm. Kaya okay na medyo tight yung fit ng windscreen natin, so it doesn't fall off easily. Now, one of the features that makes this microphone great is that it comes with a cardioid polar pattern, which means it mainly picks up audio that comes from the front of the microphone, and then it omits any background noise coming from the sides. This is great because when you're streaming or you're making a podcast, gusto mo na yung boses mo lang yung maging sole focus ng listeners mo. So having this feature which acts like a noise cancellation enables you to achieve that. Isa pang nagustuhan ko dito is that you can enhance its capabilities even further by just downloading the ManoLink app. If you are using a PC, you can download the ManoLink software via their official website. Or you may also check the description box kasi maglalagay ako dyan ng link para hindi na kayo mahirapan. By utilizing the ManoLink app, you can have access to advanced audio processing and custom EQs via an onboard DSP. Having the built-in DSP is a game changer because it gives you the ability to perform complex audio processing internally without the need for additional components. So this is the user interface of the ManoLink app. And dito sa left side, we can mute or unmute, adjust the gain, and the headphone volume. We can also change the tone and choose between deep, original, natural, and legacy. Dito naman sa baba, pwede nating i-tweak yung RGB settings. Pwede ring i-adjust yung brightness and piliin yung color. Now, for advanced settings, just click on this tab and on the right side, you will have these sliders to adjust the gain and headphone volume. You can also select the EQ style as well as modify the limiter, compressor, and noise cancellation levels.
So this is a quick audio sample using the Mano PD100X. Kagaya nga ng na-mention ko kanina, we are using a cardioid polar pattern. Meaning yung audio source natin dapat nasa harap ng microphone. And yung kagandahan sa feature na to, nakakancel niya yung mga background noise na nanggagaling sa sides. So let me know in the comments what you think of this sample audio.
So if you're thinking of maybe starting a podcast or trying your luck with live streaming games, then I think the Mano PD100X would fit you perfectly. It has tons of useful features and a whole bunch of accessories. Plus, meron pa siyang app support na very beginner friendly. And to top it off, budget friendly din siya. You can have this black variant for around 2,300 pesos. Black yung body niya and yung RGB light niya is only on this part. This suits my needs perfectly since I'm doing mostly unboxing and tutorials. Plus, bagay rin siya dito sa setup ng studio. But if you're more into gaming and you wanna go full RGB, then you can get this one for 2,600. Same audio quality, same app support, but with an improved RGB functionality. Ilalagay ko na lang yung links ng Shopee and Lazada nila sa description box as well as sa pinned comments. So make sure to check those out. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions and suggestions for our next video, just leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to reply. So that's it. See you on the next one.